well-oiled counselor here. I want to talk with you today about the ways you can use your essential oils. There are three main ways that folks use essential oils, so let's dive in and talk about those. The first would be aromatically. You are going to use a diffuser. That's right, so pretty. So yeah, a diffuser is a great way to get the benefits of your essential oils. And generally my rule of thumb is for however long I want to diffuse, I will add 1 drop of oil for every hour that I'm going to be running that diffuser. So if I'm loading up my diffuser before I go to bed, I'm going to put 8 drops of oil in that diffuser. I'm going to add water to that fill line and let that baby go for a great night's sleep. So aromatically is one way that you can use essential oils. If you don't have a diffuser, there are other ways that you can get the benefits of essential oils aromatically. You can put it on your clothes. You can add it to a cotton ball and just leave it wherever you are sitting, and you'll still get the benefits of the aromatic properties of that essential oil. Add it to the inside of your toilet paper tube. Please don't buy that stuff that is fake, that they're telling you is infused with essential oils. That's not real oil. That's not going to be good for you. You don't want to be breathing that into your brain. So make sure you're using pure, high-quality essential oils and add them to pine cones in a display. Add them to your succulent plants. That's a great way to use it as an aromatic diffuser, even if you don't have one that you can plug in. Lots of creative ways. Any natural product, wood, pine cones, anything like that, plants, you can add essential oils to that to help act as a natural diffuser. So get creative, have fun, use those essential oils aromatically. That's way number 1. Number 2, if you don't have a diffuser, or if you want to take that oil with you, you can actually apply it to your skin and let it be, use it topically. Essential oils are potent, so be sure you're using your carrier oil when you're applying it to your skin, but great ways to make it helpful, whether you just want the aromatic benefits or if you actually want the helpful properties of that essential oil. Maybe you've got an ache, maybe you've got a pain, and you want to use some essential oils rather than some over-the-counter products, and that's a great solution as well. So topically, I love using the bottoms of my feet. That is a great place to apply your oils because the pores in our soles are large. It helps that essential oil travel quickly through your body. Again, I'm recommending you use it with a carrier oil. And this is a case of where essential oils used topically, less is more. Do not get crazy and think that you need to use a lot. 1 drop will do. And that's why using it with a carrier oil is also great, because you're extending the use of that essential oil. So that's way number 2. Way number 3, I'm going to get a little controversial here. You ready? Hang on. I'm going to suggest that if you are using a high-quality essential oil that has a label that says you can use it internally, yep, you really can, because you're probably already doing it and you don't even know. If you're chewing gum, it's probably got an essential oil in it. Lots of other things that are flavored with essential oils right on the market that you're buying, you don't even realize. So when people tell you, oh my gosh, anyone who says you can use essential oils is crazy, maybe not so much. I will tell you, don't be buying your essential oils at some big box store and thinking you can use them internally. Probably not a good idea. If it says, do not get in contact with skin, if it says anything like, that there might be some danger from using that labeled essential oil, put that thing down and step away. Okay? Your essential oil should be pure and it should be safe to use in certain cases internally. I'm a big fan of my metal water bottle with a drop of citrus oil. There it is, my citrus oil. No, it's not acidic because citrus oils come from the peel of the fruit, not the actual flush inside. So the citrus or the acidity is not off the charts. In fact, it's just fine. I don't worry about ruining my teeth. Don't worry about ruining my insides. It's all good. But please be sure that if you are using essential oils in your water, that you are using metal or glass, because you will find that citrus will eat away at plastics. Thank goodness we're not made of plastics. We don't have to worry about being, eaten away. So it's all good. I also love to get creative with my essential oils, and I make flavored sugars and salt that I use when I'm cooking. This one happens to be oregano salt. If you want the best tasting pasta ever, add a little bit of oregano salt to your pasta water. Oh my goodness, it's the best thing ever. I make all sorts of ones. This one is cilantro lime. So when I'm getting Mexican, and I'm going with that flavor, cilantro lime, love it in my rice, whatever you want to use it for. Lots of ways to be creative with essential oils internally, but again, be sure that they are labeled safe for internal use. Don't mess around with bad quality fake stuff and think it's going to be safe for ingestion. It's not. So be smart, be wise, but enjoy those essential oils safely, have fun, and get all the benefits you can, whether it's aromatic, whether it's topical, or whether it's internal use. Thanks for watching. This is Christa Hoovler, your well-oiled counselor. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.